Hi everyone, Leonardo Ocaprio here. Today, we will explore essential physics concepts like force, motion, and energy. Topics that help us understand how the world works. Physics begins with force. A force is a push or pull acting on an object. It causes motion or changes in motion. Newton's first law tells us an object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by a force. This is the principle of inertia. Newton's second law explains how force, mass, and acceleration are related. F equals ma. The greater the mass, the more force needed to accelerate. Newton's third law states, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This explains how rockets are launched. Motion is described using speed, velocity, and acceleration. Speed is how fast, velocity adds direction. Acceleration is the change in velocity over time. It happens how something speeds up, slows down, or changes direction. Gravity is a fundamental force that pulls objects toward each other. It keeps planets in orbit and our feet on the ground. Weight is the force of gravity on an object. It depends on mass and gravitational strength. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. Unlike weight, it doesn't change with location. Friction is a force that resists motion between two surfaces. It throws things down or keeps them in place. Without friction, walking would be impossible. But too much friction can cause wear and tear. Energy is the ability to do work. It comes in forms like kinetic, potential, thermal, and chemical energy. Kinetic energy is energy of motion. A moving car or flowing river carries kinetic energy. Potential energy is stored energy due to position, like a stretched rubber band or water behind a dam. Work is done when a force moves an object. Lifting a box or pushing a cart involves work. Power is the rate at which work is done. More power means faster energy transfer. Simple machines like levers, pulleys, and lamps reduce effort by distributing force. Physics is not just theory. It explains sports, vehicles, construction, and much more in our daily lives. In summary, physics helps us understand motion, force, and energy, key principles shaping everything around us. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.